Let's learn the English idiom. Bite the bullet. Bite the bullet means to face a tough situation with courage, despite discomfort or fear. These hikers are about to bite the bullet and climb to the top of the mountain. This phrase likely comes from the days before anesthesia, when soldiers or patients would literally bite down on a bullet to endure pain during medical procedures. Let's see some more examples. I must bite the bullet and tell her I don't want to get married. I had to bite the bullet and blow up the castle. It was just too dangerous. And finally, you've got to bite the bullet and get on the plane. It's only a short journey. Don't forget to visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more idioms and expressions.